All today we are going to see the review of shopclues.com. It is a completely trash website. I have booked Sony Xperia Z3 Plus refurbished phone. As you can see the product description even on the cover. But they have delivered me Xperia XA1. They have delivered me this phone which is not Xperia Z3 Plus. If you see, the box is in a very worst condition. The box is of Xperia Z3 Plus maybe, but the phone is not the Xperia Z3 Plus. It's very heavy. It's 6-inch phone. Xperia Z3 Plus is a 5-inch phone, 5.2-inch phone actually. As you can see here, this is Sony Xperia XA1. So if you go to the settings and see the system details, you can see the about phone G3212. In internet, if you search G3212, it is showing as Xperia XA1. So this is a trash website. Don't believe ShopClues. Don't shop in shopclues.com, friends. And the mobile is also in a very worst condition. The volume buttons are replaced. There are a lot of scratches. I will show you the description in their website, which is showing as refurbished and excellent product with very few scratches. But it is very horrible to use this mobile. There are a lot of repairs that have been performed on this mobile. I am going to return it now. If they don't have phone, they should not list it in the first place. They are listing as a wrong product just to increase the sales. And that too, if you see, there are multiple grades in refurbished products. There is a lot of scratches. Buttons have been replaced. Power button is very worn out. And overall, it is a very damaged product. Of course, it is refurbished, but in the refurbished grade, it should be mentioned as lower grade. I will show you the grades in their website now. So this is the website and the listing. They are listing Sony Xperia Z3 Plus with 28% off and at a price of 9273. But they have delivered me Sony Xperia XA1. But the box is of Sony Xperia Z3 Plus or some other equivalent model. As you can see, I have logged into my account in their website. So now I will show you in my orders. So this is the phone I have booked. They are telling that it is delivered on Thursday 2021 Sony Xperia Z3 Plus. This is the phone. Also, one more filthy thing that I observed in their website is that, assume if I want to order this phone online, both colors white and black are mentioned in their website. There is no option to choose the color. And the second thing is, I know that it is a refurbished phone, so there are multiple grades. To know the grade of this refurbished phone, you have to scroll down in their website, go to the specification, product description, more details, go to condition details. So in this there is a tabular form, condition, scratches, dents and accessories. So there are 3 grades in the refurbished category. One is acceptable, second one is a good category, and the third one is excellent category. If you see, there is a highlighting here. This highlighting is in the background for this row, and that is shown as excellent grade in the website. So for excellent grade, there are minor or not visible scratches, micro dents. But if you see on the corners and the edges of the phone, these are not minor scratches or dents. In lots of places, paint is gone. Major dents are also available, as you can see here on the edge of the phone. There is lot of scratches, dents. So I suggest you never ever shop in shopclose.com in your lifetime. Thank you.